little kid, where are you? Where are you hiding? Jeff, have you seen a little kid?
No, not here. He has gone to the forest.
Let me look under the chair. Mommy, help! Well, a delicious little kid.
The wolf ate little kid number 1.
Little kid, where are you? I can smell you. Carol, have you seen a little kid?
No, not here. She has gone to the cinema.
Let me look under the couch. Well, a delicious little kid.
Mommy, come back! The wolf ate little kid number 2.
Little kid, where are you? Where are you hiding? Hey boy, have you seen a little kid?
No, not here. She has gone to the park.
Let me look under the table. Well.
Oh no!
A delicious
It's a big bad wolf. Mommy, help! Mommy, come back!
Mommy is not here. Say is in the forest.
The wolf ate little kid number 3.
Little kid, where are you? I can smell you. Door, have you seen a little kid?
No, not here. He has gone to the beach.
Let me look behind the door. Well, a little kid. Mommy, help! Mommy is not here.
The wolf ate little kid number 4 and went on looking for the little kids.
Little kid, where are you? Where are you hiding? Cafe, have you seen a little kid?
No, not here. She has gone to the swimming pool.
Let me look under the carpet. Well, a little kid.
The wolf ate little kid number 5 and went on looking for the little kids.
Little kid, where are you? I can smell you. Beth, have you seen a little kid?
No, not here. She has gone to the bakery.
Let me look under the bed. Well, a little kid.
Mommy, help! The wolf ate little kid number 6 and went on looking for the little kids.
Little kid, where are you? Where are you hiding? Cortin, have you seen a little kid?
No, not here. She has gone to the stage.
Let me look behind the curtain. Well, a little kid.
Mommy, come back! Help! It's a wolf!
Mommy is in the forest.
The wolf ate little kid number 6, 7 and went on looking for the little kids.
Little kid, where are you? I can smell you. Lord, have you seen a little kid?
No, not here. She has gone to the food.
Let me look behind the clock. No, nothing. Let me look on top of the clock. No, nothing. I'm full. I'm tired. I'm going to the forest to sleep under the teak tree.
The wolf went to the forest to sleep under the teak tree. A little later, Mother Goat came back home.
Knock, knock, knock. Open the door, dear children, to your mother. I got something delicious for each one of you. Oh, the door is open. Little kid, where are you? What a mess! Little kid, where are you?
The big bad wolf ate your little kids.
For my little kids.
No, Mommy, I'm here inside the closet. The big bad wolf has eaten all my brothers and sisters. find the wolf. The wolf was asleep. He's asleep.
Yes, there is a wolf. Little key number 1. Hello, mommy. Little key number 2. Hello, mommy. Little key number 3. Thank you, mommy. Little key number 4. Mommy. Little key number 5. Hello, mommy. Little key number 6. Hello, mommy. Little key number 7. Hello, mommy. Now go and get some scores. Here you are, mommy. One stone here. Here you are, mommy. Another stone here. Here you are, mommy. 3 stones here. Here you are, mommy. And 4 stones here. Here you are, mommy. And 5 stones here. Here you are, mommy. And 6 stones here. Here you are. Now I know to show you. So. Let's hide in the forest.
Marabot and the 8 little kids went to the forest to find a little later, the wolf waking up. Shh! Be careful, kids. The wolf is waking up.
I'm full. I'm tired. I'm thirsty. I'm going to the river to drink some water.
The wolf went to the river to drink some water.
Help! I can't breathe.
The wolf went to the... But the wolf fell and drowned.
Help! I can't swim.
Finally, Marabot and the 8 little kids were very happy and started singing and dancing.
Hurrah!
Baby, Let me in. Open the door, dear children. Let me show you what I've got. Something like you like a lot. Open up, knock, knock, knock. I'm your mother. I'm your mother. Come in, mother dear. Fish so white and voice so clear. We are very glad you're here. We have enough for Goofy. Come in, mother dear. Fish so white and voice so clear. We are very glad you're here. We have enough for Goofy. But Goofy has had enough of you. And that's all. Thank you for coming to the show.